Go push Joey to the side, friend.
Oh man, where'd it go?
Yep. Yep. David, you want to race?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Did you run it yet, David?
I put it in for 1 second,
Yeah.
but it's not clicking extremely fast.
No, it doesn't need to be.
This is my first one.
Should have got like a sailboat or something. That'd have been cool.
I wanted to. I can still get one. Alright, what now?
I have a fucking prop, dude. It's an XL 47 or something. It's supposed to do 61.8 mile an hour.
Yeah, you told me. That's sick. Hell yeah, look at that little thing move. Even that might beat Joey. That is David's blast. Are you having a blast? Oh man, here comes Frank. Meow. Gone. Frank's barely got to touch the throttle. Mayday, mayday.
Yeah, Joey's got a big limb.
Does he? He ain't got it yet? He's got like a whole damn branch. Just walk out there and get it. He's like whacking it with a palmetto palm branch or some shit. Hey, you got it.
I'm gonna go wet him.
You're gonna make David capsize. Slow down.